How to install pipe insulation to reductions. On-site fabricated. Place an insulation section on the small diameter pipe. For horizontal lines, ensure longitudinal joints are facing sideways. Seal the longitudinal joint with an appropriate aluminium foil tape. Thoroughly rub all seals with a flexible squeegee to create proper adhesion between tape and insulation. Temporarily place insulation over the larger diameter pipe and slide it up against the smaller diameter section. Draw the outer circumference of the smaller diameter insulation on the newly placed larger diameter insulation. Next, using a sharp-bladed knife, cut around the circumferential marking to a depth equal to its own thickness and take this section out. Place the newly adapted insulation in place on the larger pipe, overlapping the smaller diameter insulation. Use a filler ring when the smaller diameter insulation is too small. Seal the longitudinal joints with an appropriate aluminium foil tape. Seal the circumferential joint with an appropriate tape wide enough to give a minimum of 25 mm cover on each side of the joint. Apply a second layer of tape on the smaller diameter insulation to bridge and secure the section. Finally, thoroughly rub all seals with a flexible squeegee to create proper adhesion between tape and insulation. Prefabricated. Place the factory milled reducer in place on the pipe, taking care that a close fit is made with no gaps. Seal the longitudinal joints with an appropriate aluminium foil tape. Place in any required adjoining insulation sections. Seal the coinciding longitudinal and circumferential joints with appropriate aluminium foil tape. Finally, thoroughly rub all seals with a flexible squeegee to create proper adhesion between tape and insulation.